Got a whole bunch more gadgets. Check this out. This has gotta be minimalist utility blade knife, whatever you call it. So super lightweight, super thin. Wow, the thinnest one I've ever seen. So how this works is just push on that and pull it forward. We need a little bit, just hold it and open up boxes, lock it back in. But initial lock is right here. That's where it sucks in, and boom. Super lightweight. I cannot believe it. Now to remove the blade, all I have to do is just lift it up and push it forward. Oh, let's try it one more time, and it will come off, and the blade, reverse it or take a different one. Second notch right here, line it up, then this will go back in sideways, slide in, and then push it down and slide it. It slides in there perfectly till it pops back in, and flip it over. Good to go again. Love it. Most little EDC gadget, a clip. So there's a first clip into here and a secondary clip. This is a perfect keychain clip. So all the keys or key rings will go in here, and the clip to go in and out into the pocket right here. And doesn't matter, pull it all the way down, it does not stretch out, it will go back to the normal stage. Very good, lightweight titanium. There's a brand, I like it. Got it here, new CVV Vision FG, black G10 handle, Nitro V blade steel. So let's open it up. That's how the easy way to open boxes like this. Okay, nice case, all the good stuff, stickers. Let's see. Okay, I love that one. That one is not super new, just a different handle materials. And also I think they have locked this up. This before used to come off all the way. It was kind of like removable. Seems to be they fixed it. It does not come off anymore. But yeah, this is quite nice. Very comfortable full hand grip. Then there's a precision grip this way on a blade. Designed by, not gonna pronounce that, but yeah, very comfortable. There's like a sweet spot to let it go so it doesn't bounce like this. So very cool knife. I like that one a lot, with the backlock right here. I had no idea Victorinox Swiss Army produces multi-tools like these ones. I thought they only make those multi-tool knives. This is actually multi-tool pliers. It has Victorinox logo on it. Beautiful. Rulers. Let's open it. Ooh, nice. A wire cutters over here with notches. Okay, interesting. What is all this about? Interesting locking mechanism. Let's find out what it does. So let's lock one side out. Ooh, I like it how it's locked, so I can pull anything out, whatever I want to. Okay, that's actually pretty easy. Pull something and then everything else will come out too pretty easily. Wow, that's a big scissors, and they are assisted, which is really nice, spring assisted spring. So file screwdriver, punching knife over here, and a little screwdriver right here. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's see how it locks up. So there's a lock now. All I have to do is push on that and it will unlock it, otherwise it will not open. And it's smooth with one finger. I like that locking mechanism. Okay, what's on this side? So the easiest thing to do is open one and maybe like keep it open a little bit, and then the rest will come out pretty easily. It's very soft pull. There's a bottle opener, screwdriver, pry bar. There's another cutting tools, and wow, that's a lot of tools. Can opener. Let's see what else we have. A knife, decent one, and another big screwdriver, pry bar. Beautiful. because we don't want to pry open something with a knife, because it will break off a knife. Chip it off. Very good multi-tool. I love that. Victorinox. I had no idea they made one of this. And pliers. Really good, decent pliers too. Boom. There it is. There is a mini work light. Let's see what it's all about. It's like a little pocket work light. It is very bright. Okay, pocket clip, portable, magnetic base, waterproof, multiple light modes. Okay, that's good. Wow, that is small. And it's LED lights over here. There's a rechargeable. Ooh, that is incredibly bright. Darker and darker. That's a perfect little light. There's a magnet. Let's go in the dark, see what it looks like. Comes with the charger too. That is incredible. The power of flashlights getting stronger and stronger. That is a nice, kind of like a half lantern. Very bright. I love it. So let's set it up and see what it looks like. Let's say I need to work on C unit. That little light make it so super bright. Maybe I'll get a better section. Look how bright that is. Incredible. And so little. Love it. Probably won't last in power that long, so probably would use second mode. Still bright, but it's like a quick one for like a quick fixes. The bigger light is usually last a lot longer. This is a smaller battery, but this is nice. Another new CVV in Scissor 2, black aluminum handle, black Nitro V blade. Let's open it up, see what it's all about, and get my first impression and unboxing. Okay, I love CVV, a really good brand, high quality stuff right here. Ooh. Okay, this is a carabid flipper. Okay, needs a little flick. So one of the fingers goes this way, hold it this way or this way, either way. Probably that's what we want to hold it for. Nice. And there's a stud that once like pulls it out from the pocket, it will flick open. Ooh, look at that, a bottom lock. It's so smooth. It's a little bit in the way, so gotta watch out. And there's a sweet spot closing it. It's incredibly smooth. Pocket clip, reversible, beautiful. Let's try something out. Let's try something out. If I put it in my pocket, there's a little hole and clip right here. If I want to pull it backwards, there you go. Got the knife out. Close it one more time with this side. It's a right-handed. There you go. This is for right-handed setup. So the button lock it one more time. Goes this way. All I have to do is just grab it, pull it, and it deploys it instantly with this little hook. Pretty awesome. Very unique. Close it slowly and one more time. For quick deployed out of the pocket. Boom. Wow, that is really fast. This is probably the smallest portable fence I've seen. Let's open it up. Wow, that is smaller than a picture. I feel like picture looks a lot bigger. Incredible. So USB-C charger, very like common charger. Ooh, so this is on, off, and plus there's a secondary on. Okay, press it on. Wow, look at that digital screen. Power, fully charged, air volume. Wow, intense. That is incredible. And I guess it's up to 100. Powerful. Let's see, there's a little box. See how it does. This is a heavier box. Oh, not pushing it away. And then adjust down for a little bit of air. That is a really cool fan. So small, perfect for traveling, camping, whatever.